open go now, okay? Hi guys, today we're going to unboxing Halo, and that's the package. And the reason why I buy it is because it looks so cool to me, and why it's epic is because there's two rescuers and a monster that they're going to fight, and the fight is so epic, and that's why. Anyway, let's open it up. This is my first gear that I got out, and then my next two gears, and here's one rescuer. And another rescuer. And there's more. And this is the monster that I was talking about. So weird and angry. So there's 3 characters in this package. And they have a lot of accessories. Really a lot. Really a lot of them. And these are the gears. And let's open this bag. And it comes with instructions. It has all the gears in here. There, I found some gears and weapons. Here's where all of the weapons are. That's a lot of stuff they got. I guess this is it. First things first. They look so cool. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and see you into the next video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Press more bell, like have a like button, like have a green name.